Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Robust 2/3 jaw 5-ton ratcheting gear puller. A versatile tool engineered to tackle even the toughest mechanical challenges. Designed with precision, this gear puller features 3 adjustable jaws that span a 4 to 5 inch range, ensuring a secure grip on gears, pulleys, flywheels, and other press-fit parts. The smooth ratcheting action, coupled with a locking ratchet mechanism, keeps the clamp open for effortless installation and fine-tuned adjustments. Crafted from high-strength chrome moly steel and finished with a protective manganese phosphate coating, it's built to resist rust and corrosion for long-lasting durability. An innovative design allows for a quick conversion from a 3-jaw to a 2-jaw, or even a reversible puller, while the finely threaded center screw delivers enhanced pulling power. The low-profile, heavy-duty foot design enables access to tight or confined spaces where traditional pullers simply can't reach, ensuring you have the reliable tool you need to safely slide components off shafts. Step into the future of power tools with the all-new PowerPro cordless drill, a perfect blend of innovation and user-friendly design. This smart drill features an intuitive digital display that reveals 30 gears, battery life, dual modes, and directional indicators. It delivers up to 266 Nm of torque, allowing precise adjustments from 1 to 30 in self-select mode, while its pulse mode uses an intelligent chip to provide intermittent starts and stops for enhanced safety. With a unique built-in battery charged via USB-C, it's lighter, more compact, and perfect for tackling tight or overhead spaces. Weighing only 1.94 pounds, it reduces hand fatigue during extended use. The robust 2000 mAh battery powers through up to 550 screws per charge, and the durable brushless motor delivers efficient, near-silent operation at speeds up to 1400 RPM, making it an indispensable tool for any DIY or professional project. Striking fusion of modern design and traditional craftsmanship that's set to become your go-to tool for all your projects. Expertly forged from high-density carbon steel, this hammer offers remarkable durability and an anti-rust finish, ensuring that it maintains its performance and looks for years to come. The ergonomically designed, non-slip soft handle fits comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue during extended use and delivering a secure grip even in challenging conditions. What truly sets this hammer apart is its clever combination of a magnetic nail starter and a precision-engineered hammer claw, making nail removal and placement effortless. With its perfectly balanced weight and compact design, it's ideal for a wide range of applications, from intricate woodworking and innovative DIY projects at home to demanding tasks in the professional shop. Meet the Labigo Electric Spin Scrubber, a game-changing cleaning companion that turns tedious chores into a hassle-free experience. Its smart, ergonomic design means no more bending or kneeling, letting you clean smarter, not harder. For the toughest stains, simply pre-soak with detergent for about 5 minutes before unleashing its power. Powered by a high-speed 400 RPM motor, this scrubber quickly and effectively tackles surfaces from shower stalls and bathtubs to tile floors, ensuring every corner sparkles. With up to 90 minutes of cordless cleaning, after just 3.5 hours of rapid charging, you can easily cover your entire home without dealing with cumbersome cords, and all while keeping noise levels below 70 dB. Equipped with 7 interchangeable brush heads, tailored for various cleaning needs from grout and stone tiles to car interiors, the Labigo scrubber adapts to any task. A detachable, retractable metal extension rod reaches into tight corners and high spots, making it simple to clean under furniture and around faucets. A game-changing tool designed to transform your surface preparation tasks. This innovative device boasts an 11.6-inch reach, enabling you to access and work on surfaces even in the tightest of spaces. Its impressive performance delivers up to 5,000 blows per minute at free speed, making it an ideal partner for cleaning or removing stubborn layers of paint, rust, dirt, or weld slag. Weighing only 2.9 pounds, it offers a lightweight design that translates to excellent maneuverability and precise control, ensuring you can work comfortably for extended periods. Whether you're a professional in need of reliable, high-efficiency equipment or a DIY enthusiast looking for a versatile solution, the WORKPAD 12 Needles promises to elevate your work with its blend of power, accuracy, and ease of use. Enjoy a smoother, more effective approach to surface preparation that helps you achieve outstanding results every time. Introducing the X-Cone Offset Extension Wrench, the ultimate tool engineered to conquer tight spaces and elusive fasteners with ease. With its innovative zero-grease swing arc, this wrench effortlessly reaches stubborn bolts and screws, making it an essential asset for automotive repairs, furniture assembly, and a variety of mechanical projects. Crafted from a robust steel alloy and paired with a high-strength, specialized chain, it delivers a maximum torque of 53 feet-pounds, a performance verified through extensive durability testing. Measuring 15.4 inches long and 0.63 inches wide, the kit comes complete with square drive adapters, as well as a 1/4 inch socket, ensuring versatility and compatibility with multiple applications. Its extended drive lever and slim socket design allow for smooth maneuverability in confined spaces, offering reliable performance wherever precision is required. New era of precision with a DT20 digital tape measure by Milesy, a game-changing tool built to deliver fast, accurate, and stress-free measurements for every project. Thanks to Milesy's innovative PowerBrushed digital display, you instantly see real-time figures the moment you extend the tape, ensuring every reading is both swift and reliable. The device features a precision laser class 2 for safe and dependable measurements. Engineered with impact-absorbing geometries and soft materials, the DT20 is designed to withstand drops and shocks while offering optimized ergonomics and memory storage for up to 20 values. More than just a tape measure, it can directly calculate digital area and volume measurements, making it a versatile companion for interior design and beyond. A secure tape lock and advanced optical decoding with tape error correction further ensure industry-leading accuracy, while its dual-sided blade displays both English and metric units for all your measuring needs. Transform your woodworking experience with the Armor Mini Jig, a revolutionary, self-adjusting drilling solution that takes the guesswork out of your projects. This innovative tool automatically sets its drill guide and collar based on your material's thickness, eliminating tedious manual adjustments and ensuring perfectly aligned pocket holes every time. Built to withstand daily workshop challenges, it features hardened steel drill guides backed by a lifetime warranty, a robust glass-filled nylon body, a stamped steel subframe, and durable metal injection-molded gears. The integrated caliper adapts effortlessly to various material sizes. Simply insert your workpiece, secure the drill collar, and you're ready to clamp and drill. Its smart, color-coded screw system, combined with corrosion-resistant color coat technology, guarantees optimal performance. Everything you need for flawless craftsmanship. Elevate your wire stripping tasks with the Noeasy D3 wire stripper, a precision tool designed to deliver reliable, high-quality performance. Specifically engineered for non-steel materials, this tool excels at handling 7 to 32 AWG wires in both stranded and solid forms, making it ideal for delicate speaker wires and more. Its adjustable stripping length of 5 to 20 millimeters adapts seamlessly to a variety of wire types, ensuring optimal versatility on every project. Crafted from durable steel strips and reinforced with glass fiber nylon, the Noeasy D3 efficiently strips copper, cable, and aluminum wires, while its self-adjusting jaws effortlessly handle both fine and robust conductors, including PVC. Complete with a detailed welcome guide, a 12-month warranty, and responsive customer service, this tool is built to last. Step into a new realm of heavy-duty mobility with the all-terrain stroller by Rhino Carts. Expertly engineered to conquer everything from narrow thresholds and uneven surfaces to hard-packed dirt and gravel, This versatile cart supports up to 2,000 pounds on even the roughest terrain. Its 8 heavy-duty urethane wheels deliver unwavering stability and ease of movement, making challenging surfaces a breeze. Crafted from commercial-grade poly resin and specialized industrial steel, the design ensures exceptional durability and long-lasting performance. The adjustable platform expands from a compact 6 inches to a spacious 46 inches, accommodating everything from standard pallets to larger loads. Removing the side panel even simplifies handling oversized items. The Rhino cart sets a new benchmark in efficiency and reliability for heavy-duty transport. Experience flawless finishing with the Pipe Max, a revolutionary tool engineered for professional-grade results. Its built-in tacho generator ensures a constant RPM and stable amperage, delivering uniform pipe and round finishes that save you time and money. Powered by a robust 1710 watts 15 amp heavy-duty motor, this tool is designed to tackle large surfaces with ease, making it ideal for sanding and polishing stainless steel, aluminum, and other high-quality metals. Whether you're working on pipes or handrails up to 14 inches in diameter, or grinding weld seams on both round and flat surfaces to eliminate sharp edges, the Pipe Max handles it all effortlessly. With a quick change sanding belt system and a range of grinding and polishing belts available, achieving a mirror finish has never been easier.